Now, instead of using one pod, you use two pods. And instead, and you want to use this size cup rather than this size of a cup. Okay, this mug, not this mug. This mug surely will runneth over. And when this mug runs over, it's not a blessing. It's a mess. So use this size mug. I will demonstrate by combining a mocha and a caramel pod, making a caramel mocha. Start out with the mocha. Close the lid and the small cup button, the third button from just click it and it'll start filling up. But it won't fill up all the way. Bada bing, bada boom. Once the light goes out, take out this pod. Leave your machine on your Keurig and let the water heat up again. Once it heats up, put in your cafe caramel and repeat. Close that. Take the small cup and we'll let it heat up or fill up the rest of the way. Let the machine shut off. The light go off. Turn off the machine and you're ready. Stir, stir it. Get the sugar mixed well. And now you can enjoy a caramel mocha. That's a K-cup combo. That's a winner in my book. My cup surely does runneth over. That's the idea behind
K-pop combos, K-pop combos. Yabba-dabba-dooba-dooba-dooba-yabba-dabba-doo. All right.